Heavy rain for New York and New Jersey on Monday night caused flash flood wey kill 2 people. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy don declare state of emergency, and US inflation don jump to 2.7% for the year reach June, up from 2.4% for May as President Donald Trump tariff begin bite. Dat na small for today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen forward, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist for today. Make you no forget to like and subscribe. Make you no miss hot gist wey dey happen forward. Heavy rain for New York and New Jersey on Monday night cause flash flood wey kill 2 people. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy don declare state of emergency. Rescue people get work as flood trap drivers inside car. For Plainfield, New Jersey, Governor Murphy tok say 2 people die as water carry their motor waka go. National Weather Service warn say more rain fit still fall on Tuesday, with chance of more flood for northeast Florida and Midwest. Plenty road for New Jersey close because of flood, and train for New York City and New Jersey get delay. Newark Liberty Airport see flight delay and cancellations as rain pass 6 inches for few hours. New York City record im second highest hourly rain for over 80 years, 2 inches in just 30 minutes. Dis rain come 2 weeks after big flash flood kill over 130 people for South Central Texas, with many wey still dey miss. US inflation don jump to 2.7% for the year reach June, up from 2.4% for May as President Donald Trump tariff begin bite. The Labour Department tok say na the fastest rise since February. Energy and house rent na the major things wey push the prices up, but the new tariff wey Trump put make wahala worse. Some companies don dey shift the extra cost to customers. Coffee price rise by 2.2%, citrus fruit 2.3%, toys 1.8%, appliances 1.9%, and even clothes wey never rise for months don go up 0.4%, whereas some things like new and used cars, flight tickets, and hotel bookings reduce small, help balance the overall figure. Olusunolu from Fish Ratings tok say the tariff effect still small, but e go dey increase soon. For Israel, one ultra-Orthodox party don waka comot for Netanyahu right-wing coalition because of wahala over compulsory military service. But columnist Gideon Levy for Haaretz tok say e no go really scatter the government. Levy explain say Netanyahu sharp. E don shift the wahala for 3 months as parliament go start summer holiday this week. Dis one mean say for 3 months, nobody fit break in government. Levy tok say the 3 months na long time for Israel politics. E dey hope say im popularity go rise, especially as the Iran operation bin make am more popular but no reach wetin e need. Even though polls still show say Netanyahu na the most popular politician, Levy say e no get enough majority for Knesset, and na why e dey fear new election. European Union aid chief Haji Al-Labib don tok say Israel never fully catch sharp about Israel wahala for Syria and also wetin dey happen for Gaza. 2 men from Cumbria, Daniel Graham and Adam Caruthers, don collect 4 years and 3 months prison each because dem cut down the famous sycamore gap tree near Hadrian's Wall for Northumberland last September. Court convict dem for 2 counts of criminal damage. The judge tok say dem do am out of sheer bravado and enjoy the attention when the act bring dem. Caruthers' lawyer tok say na drunken stupidity cause am, but prosecutors say the whole thing need serious planning. The tree bin dey popular worldwide before dem cut am down. And last one for today, police don arrest 14 people for Tos Pacheco, one small town for southern Spain, after serious anti-migrant wahala burst when dem attack 68-year-old pensioner. Dem say 3 people from North Africa region dey among those wey dem arrest say dem beat Domingo Thomas Dominguez last Wednesday as e dey do im morning waka. The man show Spanish media im face wey swell well, but police say dem no sure wetin be the motive as dem no collect money or anything from am. The matter catch fire after video circulate online, even though police tok say the video no relate to the attack at all. But calls begin fly for social media make people find and attack immigrants. By Friday, people with Batons dey waka for street dey look for fight. During the weekend, youths, some wear hoods, attack cars and shops. Some even clash with North African people. Many migrants dey work for the town big agriculture sector and some dey fear say dem no safe again. Over 130 officers don enter ground to keep peace. Dem also catch one of the suspects as e wan cross border go France. Police don also shut down the far-right Telegram group wey dey plan more attacks. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.